Yeah, I'm here at the right place at the right time that I can see the local women's are working at this beautiful tea garden and harvesting the tea leaves. And usually they work every day for 8 9 hours, and so sometimes it's difficult to see them where they are working at the hill zones. So today they are working at the hill number one, as the one of them told me, and then it's so fun to have conversation with them as well. To working with the tea is another beautiful lifestyle, and it might be difficult in the for them, but they are, as I observe that they are working and they are just harvesting the tea leaves, and as well as they are so gossip among themselves with the local politics and for family matter whatever. Even though they are working so hard and very well, they almost finish to fill the one bucket before the lunch break. So you see that it's so clear there, right? So usually one of them told me that they will fill up the 2 3 bucket per day, and then they have a long rest after that. So if the weather is not good, like foggy or rainy, or then they have to off their work. So it's so nice to see how they work. And one of the ladies, she already finished to fill up one bucket, and then she are just transferring this to other plastic, and that plastic will directly go to the factory, and then from factory they are doing the process of the making to produce this orthodox tea. To this Ilam, the beautiful tea garden, and the best and one and only tea garden in Nepal, and where I came this time and to try to learn some of the tea knowledge, and then and try to find out the best quality tea from this area. And this time I just try to learn uh, and ask to the local people how the tea sources, and then what the tea really is, and what the product will get from this tea garden, and what is the best quality tea which we can find from the Ilam, the tea garden. So the the people, they used to say that in the tea garden, when you go close with the tea plant, you will see the leaves, tea leaves, and then you will see the different colors of the tea leaves as well. And from down you will find the dark greens, and when you go up and tip of the leaves, then you will find these three main leaves which are in the light green color. So they are ready to harvest, and then that three leaves, and especially the center of the tip of the leaves, that is the best quality teas you will get from this garden, and then from that tea plants. So, and when you go lower and lower, then the qualities become a down, and then those the big leaves or in the dark green colors they use for the black tea or the low tea qualities. Hello, Gopi Maya Tamang, namaste.
Namaste.
Yeah, today I met here with beautiful tea garden with the man head of this workers. Today she will introduce little bit about this beautiful garden. तपाईलाई यो गार्डन बारेमा अलि भन्नुहुन्छ के?
गार्डन त के हाम्रो अहिले गार्डन राम्रै छ हैन, सबै घुम्नु आउँछ। कन्याम भनेपछि सबैजना घुम्नु आएको छ, रमाइलो छ, ड्रेस लाउँछ, घुम्नु आउँछ, कुनै दिन खाली हुँदैन, जहिले तहिले यस्तै हो क्या कन्यामलाई।
अनि यहाँको त्यो चिया मेन चाहिँ कस्तो रुम्नु पर्छ अब खास?
चिया भन्दा चाहिँ चिया यो राम्रो बनाएको छ, यहाँ फ्याक्ट्री छ, अर्थोडक्स बनिन्छ, यहाँको चिया चाहिँ यहाँ नेपालमा चाहिँ खासै बिक्री हुँदैन, बाहिर मात्रै जान्छ।
अनि हामीले कस्तो थाहा हुन्छ कि यो चिया चाहिँ यो ब्ल्याक बनाउँछ यो ग्रिन बनाउँछ भन्ने कस्तो थाहा हुन्छ?
इलामको ग्रिन टी बनिन्छ, अर्कै फ्याक्ट्री छ इलाममा। यहाँ कन्याममा ब्ल्याक टी बनिन्छ, यहाँ अर्कै फ्याक्ट्री छ। आफ्नो आफ्नो फ्याक्ट्री अर्को अलग अलग हुन्छ।
अनि तपाईँले अलि त्यो रुखमा चाहिँ कस्तो रुखमा अलि बारेमा भन्नुहुन्छ कि यो रुख?
यो रुखको भनेको चाहिँ 2 पात 1 सुइरो टिप्यो भने राम्रो होइन, ठुलो टिप्यो भने राम्रो बनिँदैन। राम्रो सानो टिप्दा राम्रो बनिन्छ।
अनि अब यो सबै फ्रेस है?
यो फ्रेस चाहिँ यो कालो मात्रै टिप्नु पाइँदैन, यो अरू जम्मै टिप्नु पाइन्छ।
So she said in these beautiful tea gardens you can see these dark green leaves are not for the plucking, and you know those who are in the light greens are the easy, they are the ready to harvest. So she's harvesting these three leaves. The top 3 leaves are the main for the tea harvesting.